As AI becomes part of the development process itself, where else in the software development lifecycle can generative AI add value?
Generative AI and conversational agents can add value across the entire software development lifecycle, not just when writing code. They can help teams define a clear product vision, generate and refine backlogs, and guide user stories to meet a definition of ready, with solid acceptance criteria, considering all edge cases. From there, they can help document bug fixes, capture technical debt, and turn that information into structured specifications that provide better context for coding agents to succeed. Those same specifications can be used to outline implementation plans for new features or fixes, giving both human and AI developers a shared understanding of what to build and how to approach it. Throughout this process, we can leverage AI as a reasoning partner by challenging our ideas, testing our assumptions, and helping teams create complete, thoughtful, and actionable plans before development even begins.